As you might know, I keep experimenting with different AI presentation tools out there. Most of them work in a similar way, and if there are improvements, they are incremental at best. Recently, I came across this AI tool called Skywork AI, and it really surprised me. How good was it? To test that, I did a simple no-frills experiment, and the results were eye-opening. Here is what I did. I gave this prompt to 3 AI presentation tools. Make a presentation on the future of remote work. Nothing fancy, no bullet points, no context, just one clean sentence. The contestants are Microsoft Copilot, Gamma.app, and Skywork AI. I wanted to compare the output from these 3 presentation tools using 3 critical parameters. First is trustworthiness of the information. Second is organization and layout of the slides. And third is time efficiency. So who emerged the winner? Let's find out. I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We help professionals like you create engaging presentations. Let us see what Microsoft Copilot delivers with the prompt. I go to create a new presentation after clicking on the Copilot icon. It asks me create a presentation about, and here I'm going to write make a presentation on the future of remote work and hit enter. Now Copilot is generating the various topics, outline, etc. I'm quite okay with whatever is shown here, so I'm going to say generate slides. Now Copilot is adding titles to slides and it is generating the slides. And finally, we have got our presentation. Let us save it somewhere. Now let us go to Gamma.app and go to create new. I want to generate a presentation, so I'm going to click on this. And here I'm going to say create a presentation on the future of remote work. Now Gamma is generating the outline for me. The outline seems fine, so I'm going to say generate. Gamma generates the slides here, and here we have the presentation. Next, let us go to Skywork.ai. I go to slides, and here I enter a topic. I say make a presentation on the future of remote work and hit enter. Now observe the process. Skywork does take a bit of time to generate the slides. First, it goes to intent recognition, and this is a very important step. Here you can see that it is asking me a lot of questions with this clarification card. So I can fill in the details and get the exact specification I want for the presentation. I'm not going to add anything new. I'm going to say continue. And here you can see that this will be the to-do list, and it is going to do these 4 tasks. It tells me what it does, like say gathering comprehensive data on global remote work trends and innovations. And you can see that these are the various places from where it is taking the information from. I will come back once the slides are done. And there we have our slides done. You can see that these are the slides that got created. You can of course view them separately. You can also go for full screen playback like this, and you can move through the slides like so. Now that we have our 3 slide decks, let's make the comparison. But before that, let's quickly understand what Skywork.ai is all about. Skywork.ai is a suite of AI workspace agents based on deep research. It can generate documents, slides, sheets, web pages, podcasts from a single command, cutting your work time by up to 90%. Now let's get back to the first parameter, which is the trustworthiness of the information. This is a big one for me. You see, professional presentations are built on decisions. If you're like me, when you make a presentation, you're not giving a TED talk to inspire someone to smile more. You're most likely asking for money, approval, change, or support. And if your data is off, even slightly, you might misguide strategic decisions, undermine your team's credibility, damage your company's reputation, or you might expose yourself or your team to legal and compliance risk. That's why I care so much about trustworthiness in what I present. I evaluate it based on 2 parameters. First is depth. How well researched is the content? Second is verifiability. Can you trace the source of the facts? Now let's look at the results produced by the 3 AI tools. First, the depth of content. As you can see, Microsoft Copilot has produced a fancy looking slide deck. But when you read the text, you would realize that it is pretty superficial. Take a look at this. It says, remote work adoption has grown significantly worldwide, changing traditional work models permanently. Now, how much has it grown? What is the percentage? Are there any numbers? I don't really see anything like that anywhere in these slides. Throughout the presentation, you can see that there are not many numbers here, no statistics, nothing. Now here is the deck produced by Gamma.app. There is no doubt that Gamma has worked a lot harder than Microsoft Copilot. Now when you read the text, you can easily see that Gamma has pulled some top level info from a couple of popular articles and rephrased it with some fancy language. The depth is still not there. Now here is the deck from Skywork AI. Take a look at the information here. These are some real statistics, real charts, and you can see that the information is far more comprehensive and far deeper. Now these are the kind of slides that I would like to present when I am on stage. Even if you read the text, it feels well researched and relevant. For example, you can see that it says a 2023 Gallup survey confirmed this trend, finding that 60% of employees prefer either remote or hybrid work arrangements. There is no opinion stated. These are facts. Next, verifiability of content. Now let us take a look at the slides here. You can see that there is no reference of any sources in any of the slides. Now coming to the presentation made by Gamma.app, you can see that there is no reference of sources anywhere in this presentation either. Now let us go to the presentation created by Skywork. You can see that pretty much in every single slide, there is a reference of source, that is where exactly this particular data has been taken from. Let us go to any slide at random and you will notice that there is a reference of source here. Now, when I go back to the backend, you can see that this is how the information is actually generated. I can click on any of the sources from where the information is taken. You can see the places from where the information is taken and the kind of information that is taken. And if I click here, directly it takes me to the site from where the information is taken. It is that transparent. So pretty much every sentence, every chart, every quote can be referenced back to the original source. And this kind of traceability boosts my confidence and credibility, which shows in the way I present. And no matter how fancy the slides look, you can't get the same kind of conviction from vague, unverified content other tools give you. But how is Skywork able to give that kind of depth and traceability? Here is why. Skywork is the only tool available in the market today that can generate slides and spreadsheets based on real deep research. While most tools skim just a couple of blog posts, Skywork digs into 10 times more sources than tools like GenSpark and Manus. It is built to benchmark OpenAI level research, and it even leads the GAIA agent leaderboard. So on the first parameter, which is trustworthiness of the information, Skywork.ai leads by a landslide. Now let's go to the second parameter, which is the organization and layout of the information on the slides. The thing is, even if you have stellar content, if you're just going to dump the information on the slides, nobody is going to understand a thing. So organization of your information makes a big difference in the engagement and memorability of your presentation. So how well did the three AI tools organize the information? First, let's go to Microsoft Copilot. I want you to notice something strange here. This slide has one picture, 3 points. Let's go back here. One picture, 3 points. Next one picture, 3 points. It is almost like the presenter doesn't really want to put any effort to lay out the information and make it easy for the audience to understand the information. Take a look at the kind of pictures that are used. Very generic ones. These generic stock photos don't have any direct relevance to what is being talked here. Now coming to the slides created by Gamma.app, you can see the amount of text written per slide. Now when so much text is projected on screen, what chance do you have as a presenter to capture the audience's attention? Because the moment you put something like this on screen, your audience starts reading what is there on the slide and you will be ignored. Now, coming to the visuals used on the slides, you can see that the issue that we had with Microsoft Copilot with pictures being very generic continues with Gamma.app as well. These pictures are definitely the most generic ones and they don't have any direct relevance to what is being talked here. Now, coming to the slides created by Skywork.ai, you can see that these visuals have a purpose. Now, if you go to some random slide, like say slide number 7, you can see that this visual clearly explains what is being said here. It says expanded attack surface, and you can see the visual representation of expanded attack surface here. And if you go to some other random slide, you can clearly see that the information is organized quite nicely into boxes, and these kind of diagrams make it easy for the audience to remember the information. Now, here is the bonus. You can download the slides that are created by Skyworks.ai by clicking on this option here. You can choose the download format. It can be Google Slides, PPTX, PDF, or HTML. I'm going to click on download. Now, the benefit of downloading the slides onto PowerPoint is if you decide that you need to change the colors to brand colors, or if you want to add some brand assets, it's quite easy for you to do so. For example, if I want to remove this background and let us say I want to have the background in my corporate color, let us say it is blue. So I can go here and choose this dark blue, and instantly you can see that your slides match your brand colors. The same way, instead of presenting it like this, if I want to present everything in stages, I can do so quite easily. I can select all these, group them together, select these and group them together, and select these and group them together, and have each of them appear with a simple fade animation on click. Now when I go to slideshow, I can click and present the first one, the second one, and the third one like so. Now this option of being able to export your presentation created by Skywork to PowerPoint or Google Docs opens up a lot of options for you to work with the design. So in the second parameter, which is the organization and layout of the slides, Skywork.ai wins again. Now let's talk about the final parameter, which is time efficiency. Here is a pop quiz. What part of the presentation creation process takes the most time? Generating slides? Nope, it's the rework. Most AI tools generate something quickly, but then you spend hours reworking to fix shallow content, to redesign layouts, to verify sources, and to rewrite text to sound more human. Skywork.ai saves time where it matters the most, which is in rework. The generation process starts with a clarification card where Skywork asks you specific questions before it even starts generating. That means the first draft already feels aligned with what you had in mind. You can also specify the topic depth and focus areas so your slides are spot on. And if you want even more control, you can edit the slides in real time just as you would do with Google Slides. And here is the best part. Many times you have all the data, ideas, and materials, but then you struggle to put together all of that information into a clear and engaging presentation. And Skywork helps you there too. You can upload your data files, research papers, and charts to Skywork, and the tool will convert them into a clear and understandable presentation. So no hallucinations, no fluff, just clean, human-sounding content from your own materials. So on the final parameter, which is time efficiency, Skywork.ai wins hands down. So who is Skywork.ai for? If you're someone who creates presentations regularly, then here is how Skywork can help you. If you're a teacher, then Skywork can create full lesson decks and quizzes for your syllabus. If you're a marketer, then Skywork can create campaign reports and proposals with verified data. If you are a finance pro, then you can analyze trends and build investor-ready slides with Skywork. If you are a student, then you can create class presentations, study notes, and thesis texts. And if you are a researcher, you can generate source-backed reports and convert those reports into visual presentations. And if you are a product manager, you can build feature briefs and updates from internal docs. So no matter what profession you are in, if you create presentations, especially the ones that really matter, then Skywork.ai can make a difference. So click on the link below in the description to try Skywork.ai for yourself. You won't believe what it can create with just one simple prompt. So try it out right now and let me know how you use the tool in the comments. And hey, if it saves you even one all-nighter, then you owe me a coffee or at least a like for this video. I sincerely thank Skywork AI for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in the next one.